I am going to put this man riding on this kind of dog or dinosaur shaped cloud. So first off, I am going to have the magnifier with the plus. I'm going to enlarge this. I'm just left clicking with the mouse. And I'm going to go to the lasso tool, and I'm going to use a feather 1 pixel. And I'm just left clicking, release, left click, release, left click, release, and so on. Just work my way around this guy. I'm going to leave the shadow there. Try and get in fairly tight. Then I'm gonna go, let's see, edit, copy, or you can push the control and hold it down and push the C letter key. Then I'm gonna open this other image and I'll go edit, paste, and that paste that other image into this other image. You can also push control key, hold it down, and push the V key. V as in Victor. I'm going to go up the upper left here to the move tool. Move this. I'm left clicking, holding it down, and then moving the image around. And I need to flip them. So I'm going to go to edit, transform, flip horizontally. So now he's facing the right way. I want to blow him up a bit, so I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, Scale. Now I'm going to hold down the Shift key and put the cursor in this upper right corner. I'm holding down the Shift key. I'm going to push the left key and hold it down and then drag up to the right. Now I let go of all the keys. Now I'm going to double click right on that image. Try and get this so it looks like his left arm is around the dog. Well, I'm going to go back to edit, scale. I'm holding down the Shift key. I'm going to left click and drag down to the left. Okay, I'm going to left click, double click, still in the move tool. I'm going to move that up to about right there. So now I clicked on the magnifier, the plus sign is showing up in the magnifier, and I'm left clicking and blowing this up. So now what I want to do, okay, I'm at 2% now. I'm going to go into the eraser tool. I have a brush of 35. Let's see how that looks. I'm left clicking and holding and then moving that round brush back and forth and removing part of the image that's with the man. I'm going too close. I'm going to blow this up. I'm going to go in the magnifier. I'm going up to 300%. I'm going back to the eraser tool. I'm going to change the size down to 17 with a soft edge. And work my way around his hair. You don't want to leave any dark lines because that's not going to look correct. And you don't want to cut in too far either. It's just, you just got to mess around with it and see what looks right. Oops. Okay, now I'm in the magnifier. I'm holding down the Alt key. The magnifier gets a negative sign in it, and then I'm just left clicking to zoom out. And I'm going to work my way all the way around him, and we'll see how we look. You can remove more of unwanted material with using the lasso tool. I'm using a feather of 1 pixel. Left click. I'm going to come in right here. I can take out this whole leg because it's on the back side of the cloud. I get close, I just double click and it selects that whole thing. And then I just push the backspace or delete key, and then to deselect that selection, push and hold down the control key and push the D as in dog key, and then it goes away. Let's see, this part, the arm here, so it would be behind the clouds. About right there, double click, push the backspace, control D, deselect it, and then I'm gonna go to the magnifier and the plus, left click again, go to the eraser tool. I have a brush of 17, left click, hold down, and work on that very carefully. I'm only at 200%. I think I'll go up to 300, having a little bit of a hard time seeing what I'm doing here. So I'm going to work my way all the way around them. And there you have it. I left the shadow back in here and the shadow up in here, and took out here between the arms. But you have to kind of visualize, okay, what if he was actually on that cloud, what would be showing and what would not, and just to get a real natural look. But there you have it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.